120 kilometers away from Lucknow is Bahraich, the quiet, sleepy district in eastern Uttar Pradesh that has hit headlines for seeing wolf attacks by the dozen. Why? Just why? Wolves found here in hundreds. Just why are wolves now suddenly turning predators? Why is the man-animal conflict here reaching its boiling point? We decided to find the answers to these questions.
In modern history, within the last 100 or 50 years, there has been no attacks on humans by wolves. It is only within India, in the Gangetic Plains, in Bihar and in eastern Uttar Pradesh, are there two recorded, authenticated cases of wolf attack on children. In eastern Uttar Pradesh in 1996 and 97, I was involved with the incident there and we investigated it. And we found that a single wolf was responsible for around 78 attacks, of which about 30 of them turned out to be lethal. The attacks in Bahraich today resemble the pattern that I had observed in 1996-97 in eastern Uttar Pradesh. I also believe that there is a single wolf which is involved in these attacks in Bahraich because of the pattern in which the attacks are occurring, the killing bite which has been delivered, and the amounts which have been eaten from the killed children in the carcasses. The pattern of eating suggests that only a single animal is responsible. This is likely to be a single wolf or a wolf-dog hybrid, or I would not rule out feral dog as well, because a dog can also do the same damage as a wolf is doing.
This is the vast expanse of the Indo-Gangetic Plains, the basin. This is only a part of it actually. We are coming to you from the interior most parts of Bahraich. Essentially, Bahraich has been in news for the wolf attacks. Wolves that have terrorized so many villages right here. This area, like many other areas in the Indo-Gangetic Basin, have had a huge history, a long history of attacks from wolves. Man-animal conflict isn't really uncommon here, but the intensity of it is worrying now. Not just Bahraich, many other places in Uttar Pradesh, like Lakhimpur Kheri for example, Jaunpur, Gorakhpur, Pratapgarh, all of these places have seen attacks. Outside of UP, similar attacks have been reported in other states like Bihar, Maharashtra and Rajasthan as well. ये उधम सिंह जी बताइए, अचानक से आप लोग के हिसाब से भेड़िए ऐसे क्यों अटैक कर रहे हैं? बच्चों के साथ, भेड़ियों के बच्चों के साथ कुछ लेना देना? आप गन्ने के बारे में भी कुछ बताइए, गन्ने के खेत के बारे में भी बता रहे हैं।
गन्ने के खेत में बच्चे भाट फाट रखे, वो बच्चे जो तो गए थे खेत जोत ही गए। हाँ, भेड़िए के बच्चे, खेत की जुताई हुई रही थी, उसके बाद तो मर गए। उसी के तरफ से
ये कब हुआ?
गर्मी में हुआ।
गर्मियों में हुआ, तो तब से आपको लग रहा है कि भेड़िया अटैक कर रहे हैं?
भेड़िया अटैक कर रहे हैं। कुत्ते के से लंबे साइड से लंबी मुंह तब से चालू हो गए।
चाचा, आप बोल रहे थे यहाँ इस गांव में भेड़िए पहले भी हैं, लेकिन इस तरीके से बच्चों को उठा ले जाना ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ?
ये कभी नहीं हुआ।
क्यों हो रहा है? आपको क्यों लगता है कि इस तरह से भेड़िया भी क्यों अटैक कर रहे हैं?
भेड़िया अटैक का अभी पता नहीं, बाघ हैं कि भेड़िया हैं, कौन है। अच्छा। ये लड़कन को उठा ले जाते हैं, हाथ हिप्पस काट लेते हैं, हिप्पस गोड़ काट लेते हैं, यहाँ से खा जाते हैं।
वजह क्या है? अचानक से क्यों?
अचानक से हो रहा है,
वजह पता नहीं।
वजह नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है।
क्या बोला है प्रशासन ने आपको कि वो कंट्रोल करके देंगे, वो रोक देंगे, ये पकड़ लेंगे?
अब बतावत तो है कि पकड़ लेंगे, लेकिन पकड़े नहीं जा रहे हैं तो क्या करें।
डर है मन में, बहुत
डर है। घर के अंदर सोचते हैं क्या करें।
The fact is, last 3 months there have been dozens of attacks here. 10 of them have been fatal. The deadly predator senses vulnerability. The victims are young and defenseless. The houses are without doors, as you can see. The people are defenseless. They say that we haven't slept for an hour over a period of just so many days, over 15 days or so. Given that the administration is responding in some areas, but it's very difficult to understand why they aren't in cases like these. These are people who are vulnerable, no electricity at night, no security, no protection. The wolves are on the prowl, as what the villagers are telling us. It's a huge area of concern. It's a problem that needs to be looked into on an urgent basis.
These areas are ridden with poverty. People have very poor housing conditions, rarely any doors which protect them or windows. Children sleep out in the open, very less parental care or absence of parental care. Children are left in the care of their elder siblings or in the care of elders who are weak and themselves very fragile. The attention paid by parents to kids is much less than what elders give to livestock. In such conditions, a clever predator like the wolf learns that the vulnerable prey is the children, and they lose fear of humans for several reasons. And once they do that, and they have made one kill of a child, the predator learns that they don't have any teeth, they don't have any claws to fight back, and if they are unprotected, they make easy food. This is the reason why wolf attacks occur only in these areas across the wolf range in the world.
Schools like this one, primary schools catering to young children, have seen a huge dip in attendance. Now, teachers here tell us that there was a time a couple of days ago that children had actually even stopped coming to school altogether. But the teachers had to intervene. Some of them have said that we even went home to the houses of these children to pick them up and ask their parents to come and pick them back from school to ensure that there is an increase in attendance of children attending school. Such is the fear, such is the terror of wolves in this particular area.
भेड़िए का डर बना है और बच्चे और उनके अभिभावक दहशत में हैं, इसलिए बच्चों को वो लोग स्कूल भेजना बंद किए थे बीच में। लेकिन चूंकि हम लोगों की जिम्मेदारी बहुत ज़्यादा है और ये प्रशासन की शासन की भी मंशा है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग घर घर जाके संपर्क करते हैं और बच्चों को लाते हैं और उनके अभिभावकों से कहते हैं कि आप लोग बच्चों को छोड़िए लाके स्कूल, और जब स्कूल की छुट्टी हो 2 बजे तो बच्चों को आप सुरक्षित ले भी जाइए। और जिनके अभिभावक नहीं आ पाते हैं लेने के लिए छुट्टी के टाइम में, जो गाँव दूर हैं, तो वहाँ हम लोग खुद बच्चों को ले जाते हैं, छोड़ते हैं और सुबह में जो बच्चे नहीं आए रहते हैं उनके घर जाके बच्चों को लाते भी हैं।